Hello, my name is Saidur Rahman and today I'll show you how to test your typing speed. First of all, you need to go typingtest.com. typingtest.com. After going to typingtest.com, you'll see here you can select, let's say I'm going to select 1 minute test and click on start typing test. And you'll see text here and time 1 minute and typing speed word per minute and mistyped words. Here you have to write down or type this text. So I'm going to do a 1 minute test right now. Yes, 1 minute finished. Now it's showing results. So typing speed 65 word per minute, 1 errors, adjusted speed 64 word per minute. So here's how you'll test your typing speed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this.